In today's video, we're going to learn something really important. What to do if you ever get lost in the wild and need to survive by catching birds. I'll be showing you several practical ways to do this. For today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on a bird called the rauk-rauk, which is known in English as the white-breasted waterhen. At first, I'll place one bird inside a cage and hold out my hand in front of it. Then, by playing its natural call through a speaker, other birds will be attracted to the sound. When they come closer, they'll unknowingly step into the trap and get caught.